next project. We got 3 2x4s, all 8 feet long, and a box of nails. What are we making?
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. I got a really exciting episode I want to share with you today. We're going to build some really cool things that I haven't built ever and have been wanting to build for a really long time. So stay tuned. I want to show you how to build these block stands for holding up your car and being able to work underneath it. Much higher than regular jack stands, and actually probably stronger too. Stay tuned.
What is up, guys?
Okay, here's a hint. It has to do with cars. What? What would make you think that it has to do with cars? Nothing here, actually, right? No, so what we're going to do is we're going to build some stands, some block stands, so we can get the car further up in the air so I can get under it and work under it more easily, and not be squished with no room underneath. Watch how we do it.
Okay, so we need 24 pieces, 1 foot long. So we got 3 2x4s, all 8 feet, and we're going to cut them 1 foot apart, 1 foot each, and then start putting it together.
Okay, so we're going to mark. There's one. I guess we can keep doing it all the way down. Cut them right. Okay, it's halfway. All right. All right, we got our 1 foot lines drawn all the way down. Let's start cutting. Alright guys, so we're going to drill a hole. And we're going to stagger our nails 2 like this, then the next time up on top of that like that, and then the next time 2 like that, and the next time 2 like that. That way we're not hitting the nail every single time. And then you want to square it up. You don't have to square it up on the first one, but on the second. But I usually like to get it looking square, so it's almost perfect right there. Get one nail in there. I'm gonna put this in on the ground. guys, I got 6 rows built, and decided I wanted to go one more row, so there'll be 7 rows. So it'll take 4 feet more than originally planned. So you're going to need 28 feet if you want to do 7 rows, 24 feet if you want to do 6 rows high. I just wanted to get that extra inch and a half higher. So let's go ahead and do some cutting and put 2 more on that. Alright guys, there you go. That's 2 rows of 7. It's 28 feet of 2x4. If you want to do 4 blocks, you just got to double that. And it took us about 2 hours to build these, and $14 with the nails, including the nails. So thanks, stay tuned, we're going to put them under the car.
Alright, so here's the whole purpose, guys. I'm trying to get under that Chevelle, and there's literally just enough room for me to just barely squeak under there and work. There's not enough room for me to actually move my arms around and let alone roll over from left to right. So this is why we built these. You can see how much more we're going to gain. You can see where the tire is right there. The jack stands on the inside here are all the way up, and we're only about 6 inches off the ground. This should give us about a foot and a half, a little over a foot of clearance, and give me about another 6 inches at least, maybe 7-8 inches total to get under there, and I should be able to roll under there and roll from left to right and not get stuck. Alright, the jack stands here are at maximum height, and there's just not enough room for me to work under here, so we're going to jack this up and get these blocks under the tires that we just made and see how high we can get it. And I got some 2x4s under there so I can get it higher than I normally would be able to get it. Definitely don't want to get under a vehicle that's got blocks on it like that. We're just going to slide the wood blocks that we made under it. Careful not to touch the car so you don't have anything come down on you. The jack might have gone high enough, but we were almost at the limit as it was with the jack height. I'm gonna have plenty of room to work under here now. It's gonna feel like it's air conditioned too. All right, get this jack stand out of here. All right, Isaiah's gonna help me with that one over there. Get in the center so the wheel looks like it's centered in the center of it on both ways, both directions. All right. Thank you, son. All right. That looks good. Double check mine. Obviously, you want the wheel centered this way, and you want the wheel centered this way. Oh, we're looking good. Let's lower it slow. All right, there we go. Take a look underneath, Isaiah, how much room we got now. I'm about to do some undercoating under here and some more work. So now we're gonna have plenty of room. All right, guys, thanks for staying tuned. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to this episode of Old Guy's Garage. If you liked today's episode and found it interesting and helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to hit the post notifications, you can actually get notification when the next video that we do comes out. So thanks for tuning in. I want to say special thank you to all our subscribers and all the guys that are writing comments, and we really appreciate your input. So if you have some questions or comments about today's program, please list it below, and we'll get back with you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next one.